Good morning. We are here with something special. This place has what is called a 5-pound donut. We are going to Bonnie's Donuts this morning. We drove an hour almost. What do you think, 40 minutes?
40, yeah.
We drove about 40 minutes to get here. We're gonna take you inside. This place is a little hole in the wall, but people rave about the donuts and this humongous cinnamon roll. You ready to check it out?
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, the crazy thing is, as soon as you come in here, you can smell the flour, you can smell the sugar, you can smell that donut shop. Oh, look at this. I see pancakes. I don't know if that's pancakes on there or what, but this place is definitely a throwback. We're going to see what this food is all about.
So fresh. It's super fresh. As soon as you bite into it, it's just a burst of flavor with the chocolate and the donut taste. It's not real airy either like other donuts. It's all full of taste. It's really good. And then we have the strawberry cake donut, blueberry cake donut, and the lemon cake donut.
Alright guys, so one of my favorite flavors is lemon, and I got this lemon donut. We're gonna save the cinnamon roll for when we get back to the house, let everybody try it. But let's see what this lemon is like. That is really, really tasty. Look at that. This is a delicious lemon cronut. Is that what it is, cronut? So my jaw still hurts a little bit from when I had dental surgery, but I don't care. This is really good. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's pretty noisy in here. We decided, even though we just bought a 5-pound donut or cinnamon roll at Bonnie's, we decided to come over here to Kelleys to have actual breakfast. So this place serves ridiculous amounts of delicious food. We're gonna sit here for a little while and then head over to Buc-ee's because she wants to stop at Buc-ee's. So look, where you want to go? Buc-ee's. Take a trip to Buc-ee's after we get our breakfast, and is that all right? If we can get breakfast first, then we'll go to Buc-ee's. I'll let you guys see what it looks like. If you're ever near, check out a Kelleys because I think they're all pretty good. So we said we were stopping at Buc-ee's, but I don't think we realized it was going to be such a small Buc-ee's, but should still be a nice little event. Let's see what they have in here.
So we left the donut shop with our 5-pound cinnamon roll to go. And what they gave us was this.
I put a lot of tape on it.
Oh my.
I didn't want the cats to get into it.
Cool. And then
A cup full of icing. Don't drink it. Look at that thing, guys. 5 pounds of bread and sugar.
we should weigh it. So we have we're gonna do it in the oven instead of the microwave because I like stuff in the oven better.
So what she said, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. But the microwave tends to make things a little, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
not as crispy or fresh tasting.
Yeah. So we don't try the oven. Hopefully we don't mess this up.
So we're gonna do 350 and we're gonna play with it. We'll leave it in there for 1 minute. I'll check it. Then the second minute we'll take it out if it's not ready at the 1 minute mark. So here we go.
Hold on.
All right, y'all. So we have 1 minute. Let's see what we got.
1 minute. 1 minute didn't help that thing.
Nope, we're gonna have to put it back in. She said 2 to 3 minutes, so again, we're just gonna play with it. I don't want to overcook it. There we go. We had to transfer it to a larger pan because it was overflowing. So this is the whole cup, whether it needed it or not. So here we go. I'm gonna cut it in half first because
Yeah, make it easy.
my favorite part is the middle, so we'll just share this piece. It's kind of big, but
It is very big.
it's okay. I'm a frosting lover. You're not so much. So. Let's see. There we go. Extra frosting. Well, okay, we'll go in for another bite. Alright, this is the taste test, y'all.
Here we go, guys.
5-pound cinnamon roll with about a pound of icing. It's super moist.
It is moist. This is to be as big as it is. I really figured it would be messed up.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be a good taste because it was so big and clunky.
Yeah.
And 5 pounds worth of bread and sugar is not something anybody typically would go for. But I'll tell you this.
For like a family meal, so if you're having a family meal, you can go and buy like the Stouffer's breakfast pans and put it in the oven. aside from with this on the side would be perfect. So you have your sweet and you have your eggs. Something easy to just pop in the oven. It was $24. They have all kind of different things that they offer as the large items. They have a cinnamon twist, an apple fritter, some other items. They are on Facebook. It's called Bonnie's.
Bonnie's. There's some breakfast items as well that they have in there. If you you happen in, like, they have some like breakfast tacos and some kolache style things. But
they also have, if you're celebrating something, they will decorate the donuts or put them also in different shapes. So let's say you want to spell Marianne, they'll do the shapes or whatever shapes that. You'll just have to look it up on Facebook, but they get creative. And we actually saw a lady picking it up today and it looked really good. They do a really great job, and the owners are in there and working actively, and they are very, very nice. I think, as you mentioned before, they were carrying stuff to their car, knowing your customer's name, just different things like that that made the place even better. So you guys should check it out if you're in town.
One of the things I want to do is go back down there to League City and do a full tour of the town, because it looks like there's lots to offer. It looks like there's lots to do, and we just have to dig into it and share with you guys what League City is like. We know there's a Buc-ee's. We know that for sure. We went into, as you saw a little earlier, one of the smallest Buc-ee's I've ever seen.
The smallest one I've seen so far, because it only had, I believe, 4 aisles. Well, maybe 6, but the smaller ones that I've been in, they have the toffee, they have the hot food. It's prepackaged, so it's not like you see the people back there cooking it. This didn't have any hot food that I saw at all. It was sodas.
Buc-ee's convenience store.
Yeah,
that's all it was.
That's just a typical, not Buc-ee style at all, but it is a Buc-ee's, and that was in can't remember it. We'll put the town below. That's not actually in League City. League City has the larger one.
Well, anyway, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe, so you can follow us and see more of the action, because we're getting ready to get geared up. We have some changes on the way that we announced just a little bit ago, so you'll see that coming soon, very soon as well. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Peace.
So get outside.